To begin round 9, chain 1, skip the stitch in front of chain 1, then double crochet on next stitch, mark the next 2 stitches bordering the double crochet that we are going to make a front post Y double crochet. So front post double crochet on the mark stitch, front post double crochet on the same stitch under the front post double crochet, front post double crochet on the same front post double crochet, front post Y double crochet is made. The next stitch start at the mark stitch. So double crochet a total of 1, 2, 3. This is the second. This is the third. And then we are going to make the tip of the star. So here's how to do it. Double crochet on the next 2 stitches on each side of the next left front post double crochet. Like that. Then mark the next stitch. Then we will go back and do the front post double crochet. Only this time we are going to make it as an incomplete front post double crochet. 2 incomplete double crochets on each of next 2 stitches, and then mark the next stitch, which is the right front post double crochet, just like we did before on previous round. Then right front post double crochet on the next right front post double crochet incomplete, and then complete all these incomplete stitches by yarning over and pulling up through all loops on hook. So we have made the point of the star as well as diminish the number of stitches. So now we are going to go back and double crochet on the stitch underneath the front post double crochet, just like we did before. After making the tip of the star, the next stitch begins on the mark stitch. So double crochet on the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and mark the next 2 stitches to make a front post Y double crochet. Front post Y double crochet is made. Double crochet 3 times, starting at the mark stitch. 1, 2, 3, then double crochet on the stitch bordering the next left front post, double crochet, double crochet on the next stitch past the front post, double crochet, mark the next stitch, and incomplete front post, double crochet on the next left front post, double crochet that we skipped, then incomplete double crochet starting on the mark stitch twice. So that's 1, 2, mark the next 2 stitches bordering the next right front post, double crochet, then make an incomplete front post, double crochet on the next front post, double crochet, then yarn over and draw yarn over loop through all loops on hook. The tip of the star is made, double crochet on the mark stitch under the front post, double crochet. Remove all markers from completed stitches except the current one and repeat around. We are now making the last tip of the star. So after an incomplete front post double crochet, we make an incomplete double crochet twice starting at the mark stitch. So that's 1, 2. Then we will mark the next 2 stitches on the next front post, double crochet. This is straddling between this stitch and the other stitch next to it because it's right at the beginning of the round. So we are going to mark this, and this is very important because it follows a different rule in marking. So let me do a close up so you can see the gaps there. So this should be the stitch on the right side of the front post double crochet. So the one on the left should be this one right here. Not on this one because it's already taken, so it should be here. See, it's located on the left, left side of this front post double crochet. So mark that stitch right there. And we will do exactly as we did before. We will do an incomplete front post double crochet on this front post double crochet. Then yarn over and draw up the loop through all loops on hook. And the last tip of the star is made. Then double crochet on the stitch below it or under it, Then do the last, not last, but the next stitch on the mark stitch. Then another stitch on the skip stitch at the very beginning, right there. And then we will end this round just like we did before. So 1, 2, and we have the round completed. Remove all the markers. Thank you all for watching, and the hardest part of this tutorial is made, so hopefully the rest of the round will be a lot easier. So I hope to see you on the next episode of this video tutorial, and so I'll see you next time.